Okay, original hardwood floors, 936 square feet, brand new mini splits in each room, so you have refrigerated air and heating, gas stove, granite countertops, really nice cabinets, tile backsplash, tile floor. There is enough room for a small eat-in kitchen. And this is the converted garage. And they do have the heaters in here still, but they're planning on taking them out because of the mini splits in each room. But this is one bedroom. The converted garage has a regular closet. This is the laundry room and storage and water heater and door to the outside. And a really large, nice backyard. And so see the bathroom and the 2 hall bedrooms. Okay, say hi. One bedroom and the other bedroom. Like I said, each room has mini splits, which is great.